So, good afternoon, all. Now we are at the end of our 5 days Atal's FDP. So I hope you all have enjoyed it, learned lot of things. Today we have with us Dr. Colonel Anand Pandey sir. He is the head of department our mechanical engineering department SIT at Pune. Sir, I request you to brief about say research at our SIT, please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nomani, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. As far as
Hello. बोलो साहब.
is concerned,
Eden बोलो.
Sir, please unmute yourself, Pandey sir.
Okay.
Unmute.
I think,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Nomani, sir. And once again, good afternoon to all the participants of the Atal FDP on the CFD. Here I will just like to tell you about the SIT. SIT has already involved in the advanced research on different field, and we got a funded project and sponsors research laboratory by Department of Science and Technology, DRDO, and industry. Now we'll start that already we got a same CFD Advanced Research Lab that is already funded by Department of Science and Technology. We got e-mobility and autonomous technology advanced research lab that is funded by again Department of Science and Technology. We got a advanced engine research laboratory which is funded by DRDO. Then we got a robotics and automation research lab, and again that is funded by Department of Science Technology. Then we got a advanced manufacturing lab. This is in that there is a various equipment that is concerned with the industry 4.0, and that is also funded by Department of Science and Technology.
Pandey sir, please unmute yourself.
And other faculty is also working on some of the industry funded and Symbiosis SIU funded project. So I can say only one thing in the end, that whatever Symbiosis Institute of Technology has got a research laboratory that is a, you can say, state of art research laboratory, and other than IIT in Maharashtra, other than IIT Mumbai, only I can say Symbiosis Institute of Technology has got that facility, and we are emphasizing more on the research, publications, and patents. And I hope any of you will, if interested, to take the any facilities of all this research lab. You all are always welcome, and thank you once again to participating in this Atal FDP of CFD. Thank you. Over to Dr. Sonawalis.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for a brief review. Now I will request participant of this FDP to share their reviews. First, I request Dr. P.S. Prem Kumar sir. Dr. Prem Kumar sir, PS sir, are you there?
Can you hear me, Professor?
Yes, sir. If you can switch on your camera, yes, sir. Yeah. Please, over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Sandhya's team, for the wonderful CFD FDP experience. It was a mix of renowned academicians and industry people who shared their projects and related work on the CFD. So I really enjoyed each sessions, both mixed with basics of CFD to the applications. So either in the code as well as the ANSYS Fluent and things. So all the sessions were very enlightful. Along with the first time in FDP, I am attending that Sagaja Yoga and related stress related activities. It's really nice. So I really enjoyed the FDP. I thank Professor Chandrakant sir and the team for the coordination as well as assessment. It was a good set of assessment things. So we really enjoyed the session. Thank you. Over to you, sir. Chandrakant sir.
Sir, thank you very much for your nice words, sir. Now I
Thank you,
request
sir.
Dr. Srirang Sripath, sir. Srirang Sripath, sir, are you there? Hello.
Giving at least, yes, sir. Thank you very much for giving me
Yes.
at least a little bit time to say thank you to all of you, especially this resource person, starting with Dr. S.T.M. Stevkar sir. He has really explained basic thing to advancement level within a very span little bit time, and whatever his devotion and what is outcome we are getting, really that's really helpful all of us. I'm saying this from considering that I'm just representing all of the participants and their views. I'm saying so that's what Stevkar sir really enlightened us from basic to advancement level, particularly next stage. Chetan Mistry sir from IIT Kharagpur, really the application and challenges that recent happening, really that helping us a lot, and particularly the research what is going on and what is advancement today happening. Really, that's the insight he has given to us. Particularly again, next day, Yogesh Bhumkar sir, Dr. Yogesh Bhumkar sir from IIT Bhubaneswar also. He has a really wonderful with a simplified manner explain high computing and other CFD application, particularly in that particular high accuracy computation with the simple words, and overall his content was really um, helping all of the participants to achieve that kind of accuracy and apply the techniques what he has used. And 24th release, 24th September, Dr. Vivek Kumar Singh from ISRO, he has also explained so many nice things about this safety application in rocket technology, how that has been utilized. Really, this was wonderful. After that, STDAC, from STDAC, Dr. Vikas Kumar sir also explained a very nice thing to us, and he has shared his practical insight of this CFD. And Dr. Nitin Gulane, today itself is ETF person. He has also explained a very nice thing that application in various field. That is, I should say, it is a very non-conventional, like MEMS and microfluidics with a simplified manner. And also Dr. Chandrakant Sonana sir, apart from organizing itself, giving enlightening knowledge about this structure fluid interaction. It really is a wonderful overall complete package was there. not only inside of just a materialistic achievement rather than spiritual enhancement was there, and stress management techniques from Symbiosis Institute. That is some giving insight, some sort of relief also. This advancement not only in terms of material rather than spiritual arrangement also. I think every participant might have enjoyed, but definitely I would like to add one more thing. So whenever possible, we'd like to have means the contact sort of it may be faculty development program, it may be startup training program. If it is physically, yet it has got something different altogether flavor. I think we are missing the company, and rather than it is some sort of personal interaction, what was happening in a personal FDP because of this constraint, we are unable to do it. But definitely we have enjoyed a lot, and overall we have really gained a lot of knowledge and a lot of things we have learned from this one, especially recent announcement in CFD that was really helping us, all of us. Once again, I would like to thank you all the resource person, and particularly Dr. Chandrakant Sonane sir for giving us opportunity to be a part of this program. Thank you very much, sir. Over
Sir,
to you,
thank
sir.
you very much for your your inspiring words, sir. Yeah. So next I have Atul Tumne sir. Is there? Atul sir is there? Atul Tumne sir, please. Do we have Atul sir with us? Okay. Then Dr. Anirban Sur is there? Dr. Anirban
Yes, sir.
Sur?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Over
I am here.
to you, sir.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, sir. It's a very good kind of FDP. Means I have attended a lot of FDP, but really it's a very good, and that it was starting from the basic. I just remembered from initial those lectures where the sir from College of Engineering Pune, he just give us the idea what is the grid and how to develop. And step by step, we get the idea of how CFD is presently, means what is the status of the CFD right now and how people are working. So different areas, how it is used. So where it is used basically and how those are. So every kind of flavors we have received means getting a lot of knowledges. And for my research area, as it is from related to the micro channels, so today's morning session is very, very helpful for me, because from last few years I'm searching such kind of lectures where I can get the knowledge on that. So really that's a very fantastic kind of knowledge what I've gathered. And thank you again, Chandrakant sir and AICT for this kind of organizing of this kind of FDP. So definitely very, very, very helpful for me, and also my students have joined here, research scholars who have also learned a lot. Thank you, Chandrakant sir. Over to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for your nice words, sir. Anyone participant present would like to talk? So you can raise your hand so that I can allow you to speak. Any feedback, positive, negative, are most welcome. So we'll try to improve in the next time. No hands? Okay, so can I request all of you to please switch on your videos so that we can have group photographs, virtual group photographs. Okay. Make sure your face is visible. Those who have a facilities of videos, please switch on your this thing so that I can click the photos. Yeah, you can take 1 minute to settle down, no problem, absolutely okay. Because I know because it takes some time to switch on cameras and settle down so that your face, just check if your face is visible to you properly as well. And if you are ready to go, then I can click. Okay, so let me have a one shot first. Okay. So should I click another? Okay, another group is there. I don't know whether you are visible to you or not, because I can change the screen from my screen at least. Okay. Second is done. Okay, let me have a together preview. They are saying, okay, getting. Okay. Just a minute. Please. Every time I'm getting a window, admit please.
Are we visible to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If you want, I can post the same thing. There is a one window called group window. So those who have switched on the videos, they are all visible. So just me take a photo as well, so that I can have this thing on WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so I have taken a photo, lot of photo I have taken. So hopefully those who have switched on the cameras, I have captured them all. Okay, so at the end, the vote of thanks from my side actually. So first of all, I like to thank all the expert who has delivered their lectures during the session. Starting from the session 1, we have Dr. Sevatkar sir from COEP. Then session 2, Dr. Chetan Mistry. Then on that day, same day, we have Dr. Girija Mahale ma'am. Then at the end of day, we have session on Sahaj Yoga by Amit Kumar Singh sir. So on day 3, Dr. Bhumkar has given the brief insight into high performance computing. Then at the same day, Dr. Sandeep Saha from IIT Bombay, he has talked about the heat transfer problem and how to handle them using CFD. On day 4, then we have expert from ISRO, Vivek Kumar Singh sir. In the afternoon, expert from CDAC, Dr. Vikas Kumar sir. And then again, you can have a session on Sahaj Yoga by Chandrakant Devda sir. On day 5, the expert from VJTI, Dr. Nitin Gulhane sir. So I express my sincere thanks to all the experts for giving their inputs to this program. I hope because of your expert session, this program is successful. Then I also like to thank AICTE for funding this kind of such a nice initiatives through Atal portal. Although we cannot, we can say, not reach or not have in personal contact with each other. It will be rather difficult if we arrange this kind of program, say, personally or in physical manner. It will be difficult to getting all the leave sanction from the institute during the academic calendar. But this pandemic has taught us a lot of new ways, and they inspire us to accept, innovate, and adapt the new technologies which are available currently. So thank you AICTE and Atal for allowing me to conduct such a nice program. Then of course participant, I like to thank very much for participating this kind of program. Although we are not face to face, but okay, I hope you got the things what you are expecting from the workshop. Then I also like to thank Symbiosis Management, Symbiosis International University, Symbiosis Institute of Technology, our Dr. Ketan Koteja sir. Then my HOD, Dr. Anand Pandey sir. Thank you for your guidance, Dr. Nitin Khedkar sir. So thank you very much for your support and you can say backup or encouragement, inspiration, because of which I can able to do this kind of program in a very short time. Then it will not be complete my total thanks if I don't thank to my own team. So first of all, thank you very much, Rohan, Savant, Priyambada Praharaj, Bhavna, Joshi, then even Vishal Kumbar. So these are all the guys who are constantly throughout with me during this program. They are allowing you to in and out. They also prepare your attendance. As far as the quiz are concerned, this student has prepared the quiz. So because of them only, this program, I think it's successful. Ultimately, the technical team, which is at the back end of this online platform, Mr. Vishal Tikekar, then Mr. Praveen Kitte sir, Mr. Tripathi sir, Rajesh Tripathi sir. Sir, thank you very much for providing the technical support during this program. And of course, thanks to all. Hopefully, we'll see you somewhere at some new platform. Okay, so thank you very much all.